celebrating Micro Creator from August 2024 to June 2025. This creator has become a trusted source of inspiration and guidance to their community, especially for first-time travelers to Hong Kong.
I know it!
This creator has helped remove the fear and uncertainty around travel, replacing it with excitement, confidence, as well as curiosity. Last year's Rising Creator
Allow me to share a little bit. Okay lang ba? Kahit mga 3 minutes lang. Eh, actually, hindi ako nag-prepare, pero yung na-prepare ko kasi, hindi ko alam to baka sabihin nyo, alam ko to. Yung na-prepare ko kasi is for my post for tomorrow, kasi nga Clue Creator Night tonight, diba? So whatever happens, I will share about the Clue Creator program. So, but first of all, I want to thank every one of you. Of course, Klook. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Madam Maki. Ako lang nagtatawag sa kanya, Madam Maki. Mother Kia, nasan ka ba? Maki. Thank you sa'yo. Thank you. Thank you sa Creatorverse fam. Kasi sila yung naging inspiration ko. Yung mga nakilala ko dito sa ano. Wait lang, ang bigat. Hindi ka lang, gusto ko talaga. I really want to share this because I poured my heart during my solo travel in Hong Kong the past few days. So, mag-isa lang ako, hirap pala mag-isa, kaya sabi ko, miss na miss ko yung asawa ko. So, anyway, eto. Clue Creator Program opened so many doors of opportunities I never knew I can have and can actually do. Taking photos and videos was just a hobby ever since multiply.com. Sino na multiply.com? I wanted to document every single thing I do that I know I would eventually look back when the time comes. Anyway, as an entrepreneur for 14 years, my mantra has always been, I don't want to die without making a difference. I want to be remembered as someone who genuinely helped, loved, and respected people. I want people to learn from my mistakes and have the courage to dream again. Lastly, I want God to be glorified in all of these. With these in mind, I continuously strive to create content to add value, to make an impact, and to encourage everyone to dream big, work smart, and acknowledge God in everything. Just a little bit of background, my husband and I are part of our Catholic charismatic community called The Feast, and we got assigned to take care of our feasts in North Asia. At first, I was hesitant kasi it would mean going to a lot of mission trips and being away with my parents, whom I super love. Of course, hindi naman ako makahindi kay Lord. So 2022, when we started traveling to Hong Kong, wala pa masyadong travelers, may swab tests pa pagdating ng airport, wala pang tao sa Disneyland. That was where I started creating content and posting on my TikTok. And the rest was history. Last year, when I stood up here as a Rising Star Traveler Award, ako po yung iyak ng iyak. I shared about not being able to finish our house construction for 9 months because of lack of funds. As in, zero na yung laman ng bank account ko. It was Clue Creator Program who helped me finish my house, and we've been living on it for 13 months now. The Lord truly knows what He is doing. Now I have a growing community on Facebook full of love, gratitude, understanding, and contribution. I am happy that my members are paying it forward to others even if their trips are done. They are the reason why I keep going. It is not easy to manage a group, create content, manage a business, be a preacher's wife, and a leader of our community. I owe all of these recognition and achievements to my members and followers who have been a really good help since day one. Malapit na matapos. There are a lot of moments that I felt discouraged, triggered, frustrated, my members would always remind me of the bigger picture. That they are my affirming machines. That even when I don't say it, they know. And I'm truly grateful to that. I love that the person I am becoming because of being a club creator. The money is there, yes, but the purposeful life is what I am aiming for every single day. Talking about purpose, I am happy that since I wear many hats and I can't do everything alone, I created a team. These people I know God gave them to me to take care of. Two of them are former Hong Kong domestic helpers, now spreading their wings, trying to start their own businesses. One is my cousin whom I'm helping earn extra. One is a high school graduate who didn't pursue college, she had to try video editing. And my sister-in-law and brother whom I helped start a business too. I believe this to me is purpose. Aside from creating contents that help a lot of people, I want to empower my team to be the best version of themselves. To my fellow club creators, I wish I could just engage with you with every single post you have. Kung mayaman lang ako sa oras, I would. I relate to the overwhelming feeling, tambak videos, choosing to procrastinate because of fatigue, pressure from everything you see on social media. I relate to it. And to end, let me quote one of my favorite club creators, Mimi, whom I call Mimi Bloom. Life is not a race. A rich life doesn't mean money rich. Have the self-awareness to take a step back, rest, recover so I can thrive at my own pace. Stop comparing yourself to others and be your own person. Thank you, fellow club creators, for your love and support. I see you too. Thank you, Club, for everything. You are my answered prayer. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, iyak din. Naiiyak din ako. Bakit may biglang pagal? Pinapaiyak kami ni ate.
Sabi na eh. Sibling wala.
I know it. I know it.
Congratulations and really inspiring words from our Silver Creator of the Year.